Asaduddin Owaisi has criticized Union Minister Rijiju's remarks on the minorities, and he says that concerns are about Hindutva, not the nation itself. Owaisi emphasized that minorities live in India by constitutional rights and divine will, not by the majority's mercy. He reiterated that the Constitution guarantees equality to all citizens. Let's listen in to Owaisi's reaction coming in. All right, before we play that out for you, let's go back to Soumya. Soumya, Owaisi has, of course, politicized the statement that's coming in from the Union Minister, Kiren Rijiju, saying minorities are safe in India. Their population is, in fact, on the rise. But Owaisi says it's only their constitutional right, their divine intervention by which they are in India. How do you see this reaction from the AIMIM chief?
Yes, this is the counter-attack to the remarks of the Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, who went on to say that we should be proud of India, wherein the minorities are not only safe, but also their population is surpassing to that of the majorities, which are Hindus here. He went on to say that we are not living at the mercy of the majorities here. It is because the Constitution allows us to. It gives us the equal rights. It is the mercy of God that we reside in the same country. He went on to say we are also proud of India, and because of that we should hold the government in power accountable for whatever is happening. And he went on to narrate certain examples to that of BJP garlanding lynchers and convicts and making a candidate who talking about a Delhi candidate for the upcoming Delhi elections who had given anti-Muslim slurs to one of the MPs. So these are the statements that are coming in from Asaduddin Owaisi. With that, he also attacked RSS, said Sangh Parivars are going after any and every dargahs and masjids possible here in India. Back to you.
All right. Well, thank you, Soumya, for joining us and sharing those updates with us. Viewers, it's now Kiren Rijiju versus Owaisi on the minority numbers in India, even as the Union Minister confirms that they are safe in India. The population is on a rise. Owaisi criticizes that statement. Owaisi says minorities are not living in India on the mercy of the majority community.